What's going on, guys? Burning Rubber here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be outlining all of the advantages and disadvantages of putting a cold air intake in your car without using a tune. So last week I did a video of installing the cold air intake, so check it out in the banner up before you watch this. So first I'm going to start off with the sound that it gives. So the stock Alloytech engine with its setup left a lot to be desired. It was very quiet, there was a little bit of engine noise coming from the cabin, but that was about it. Now with this new cold air intake, the engine grunts a lot more, which leaves for a much nicer sound. You also get a nice whistle coming from the engine when you're under acceleration. So that's obviously the cold air intake that's sucking up all the air that it can, and it's letting off a nice whistle. It actually sounds really nice. As well as enhancing the sound experience, you also get a little bit of extra added throttle response. So the car is a lot more responsive now, and under pressure it actually pulls a lot harder than it used to. And that's saying something, because this car being a big naturally aspirated V6, it still had power when you needed it to, but now it's just got that added extra bit on the lower end, which really helps round out the car overall. Now whilst increasing the power, this car also now has improved fuel economy. So before, driving conservatively, I would get at the end of my tank around 11.7 to 11.8 litres per 100 kilometres. Now, and keep in mind that since I actually put this cold air intake on, I have been driving it harder than I usually do on a day-to-day basis. So now I've been averaging around 11.3 to 11.5 litres per 100 kilometres, and that's whilst giving it a fair bit of petrol. So I can imagine that while I'm driving normally day to day, I can get closer to 11 litres per 100 kilometres, which for a V6 that's this size and this age, it's actually incredible. I'm really happy with that. Now obviously, to get the best performance possible and the best fuel economy possible, I would recommend getting a tune after you've installed a cold air intake. However, it's not 100% necessary to keep the car running in perfect order. This car still drives like it used to, if not arguably better. The engine is just a little bit smoother, I'd say, and actually braking performance is increased as well, which can actually happen with increased airflow. So that's another added benefit there. So why did I go with the Mace Engineering cold air intake over an over-the-radiator air intake or any other brand? So I did my research, and a lot of people were saying that on a smaller engine such as a V6 or a 4-cylinder, an over-the-radiator air intake doesn't really have a whole lot of benefits, and you're better off just going with the cheaper alternative, which is a growler kit or a cold air intake, because it gives you similar performance and they're almost half the price. So that changed my decision ultimately in the end, because I was looking at an over-the-radiator air intake, but when I found out that it's not even worth it in performance and fuel economy reasons, I decided against it very quickly. And then why I went with the Mace Engineering one, again, same thing. The closest one to it would be the SS Induction growler kit, and that there was double the price. It was $600, and it only gave you a little bit more power, and I'm guessing that was with a tune. So standard, you probably wouldn't even notice that difference. So I just decided I'll go with the Mace Engineering kit. It had a lot of great reviews, a lot of people loved it, so I decided to just stick with that, and honestly, it was the best decision. So who would I recommend this product to? Not even just a person that's out for performance numbers. Anyone that drives their car daily, day to day, that feels like they can get better fuel economy out of their car. It benefits basically anyone. And then you have the added benefit on the side, you've got a bit of extra power to play with as well, and a nice whistle, a nice sound that comes with it. So really, it's an all-round great product, and for the VZ Commodore, it costs around $300. Honestly, it's worth it. It really is. Go to Mace Engineering's website, have a look and see what cars they support. Check them out. I'll leave a link down below, and I'll also leave a link to the actual cold air intake that I have in my car right now. Okay, so that does it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you're always up to date with all my latest videos. That does it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one.